friend, this is class 5, myself Nisha Shah, Maths chapter 1. Feast day, 2 session of this chapter we have already done with you. Now we are moving ahead to our next session. Come to the page number 7. What a catch! Out on the sea, the fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. Here the fishermen are trying to searching the place where they get the ample of the fish. There they spread their nets and they put their nets inside. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets, and they are wait for the many hours to for the fish to come to their nets. Look at the different type of boats. See my finger. There are different type of the boats shown in the textbook. Some boats have motor boats and go further into the sea. Some are the motor boats. Since they go far out and catch more fish. Motorboat works with the motor, so they catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed about 20 km in 1 hour. This motorboat travel at the speed of 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours? See dear students, for the 1 hour it will go 20 kilometers. So for the 3 hours it will go to the 60 kilometer, and for the further half it will go for the 10. So total it will travel 70 kilometer. So write it down over here, the 70 kilometer. How much time will they take to go for 85 kilometer? For going for the 85 kilometer, suppose in the 4 hour it travel 80 kilometer, and further for the 5 kilometer it take 15 minutes. So it travel 4 hour and 15 minutes in 4 hour and 15 minutes time to travel 85 kilometer. Now moving ahead and turn your page, come to the page number 8. See, in the textbook it has shown the different type of the boat. There are 4 types of the boat. Motor boat, here also again motor boat, long tail boat and big machine traveler. But the fishermen are now very worried. There are some very big machine boats in the business. See, fishermen are very worried now. Why? Because the motor boats have introduced and it travel more faster. They go far out and put their big nets deep into the sea. Their big nets they put into the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, and many fish they collected through it, leaving a very few near the seashore, and very few fish are live near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. For that the fishermen are very worried because they are not getting much fish. This big machine boats are also catch small baby fish, and this motor boat catch small baby fish also, which the fisherman does not catch. They let them grow up, which have yet to grow up. The fishermen in the small boat always let the baby fish pass through their net. जबकि फिशरमैन की नेटों के होल उस तरह से होते हैं कि वो छोटी फिश उसमें आती ही नहीं है. Go back in the sea. They choose a net size in a such a way that only the grown up fish are catched. उनकी नेट्स उसी तरह होती है जिसमें grown up fish आए. For the hundreds of the year, fishermen have cared for the sea. 100 years से fishermen ने सी का केयर किया है, और फिशेस का भी. एंड फिशेस ओनली अ लिटिल टू ईट अ सेल. द फिश द ओनली अ लिटिल टू ईट एंड सेल. वो उनको बड़ी फिश को लेके उसको सेल करते हैं. दे सो दैट इफ़ द ट्रैवलर कैच द थाउजेंड्स ऑफ द किलोमीटर्स ऑफ द फिश एवरी डे, देयर विल बी नो फिश लेफ्ट इन द सी. अगर मोटर बोट इतनी सारी फिश ले लेगा तो उनके पास कोई फिश बचेगी नहीं. स्विचिंग टू द नेक्स्ट. विच बोट गेट हाउ मच? Here there are the boats are given and how much fish they catch. In one trip, the long boat brings about 20 kg of fish, but other types of boat bring bigger catch and given in the table. Different types of the fishes are there and different type of boats, and it catch the fish, and even the how much kilometer per hour they go, that table are given below. On the basis of this table, these questions are given. You have to solve by yourself. Okay dear students, switch on to the next page. See, there are some big numbers. In class 4th Maths Magic, you heard of the number of lakh, which is equal to 100,000. Now you had read that there are about 1 lakh bricks kiln in our country. Where bricks are made? Do you know where the bricks are made? Here the number. See, this is very much important that now 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So keep in mind 100,000 is equal to lakh. What other things have you heard in lakhs? अनदर कौन कौन सी चीज़ आपने लैख में सुनी है? जैसे 5 lakhs rupees, 10 lakh rupees, इस तरह से. Write the number of 1000. Now write the 100,000. So how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? You have to write it down. Okay, how many zeros are there in your 1 lakh? There are about the 2 lakh boat in our country. Half of them are without motor. What is a number of boats with a motor? Write it. There are 2 lakhs boats in there and half of them, मतलब कितनी boats है जी? The number of the boats are with motor. These 3 questions are there in your homework. Thank you for today. We will continue our session explanation next time. Thank you. Have a nice day.